Greetings everyone. So recently I purchased the superset of pocket operators by D&H Engineering, and in that superset were these little cards, and it looks like these cards go over basic operation, and this one specifically is for the PO28. So in this video I'm going to go over the card set. Let's go through them one by one and see what it is actually telling me to do. Okay, so this is the pocket operator robot, the PO28. I'm going to go ahead and undo the rubber band here. So I want to start with card 1. Card 1 says, let's punch in this robot live pattern. Alright, so you'll see here, there's a short little pattern here. The robot has a micro drum machine and another track for an instrument. And then you can play live on top of it. That's why it says punch in this live pattern. It says select pattern 16 by holding pattern and press 16. Then clear the pattern by holding glide and press pattern. Make sure write mode is active while pressing write. Okay, so it says select pattern 16 by holding pattern and 16. And these are actually numbered, but the case covers the numbers. You can see right here, there's a blinking light that's indicating that I selected pattern 16. Okay, it says clear the pattern by holding glide and press pattern. So this is the glide button here. Okay, let me see if that erased it. So I hear nothing now. The speakers are turned up and I hear nothing. And you can see there's a red light going across. Okay, so I got the pattern cleared out. This is step 1. It says hold sound and press 16 to select sound 16. Then place triggers like below. So this is the sound key here. And again, this is 16. There I go. And then I believe I need it in write mode, which this is write mode here. Let me go ahead and wipe this screen off a little bit. Okay, I got some of the dust off there. The dust was starting to bother me a little bit. So I need to push write mode, as it was saying. This is write mode. And you can see here, there is the right little insignia here. I'll go ahead and push it again so you can see it turn off. So that's off. That is on. Okay, so the pattern is here. So 1, 4, 5, 9, 12, 13, 15. The triggers have been placed. That looks like all of step 1. Okay, let us move on to step 2. So step 2 is using the micro drum kit. Hold the trigger buttons you have set in the last step. Turn knob A to set sound for each. Turn knob B to set decay all to 40. So this one indicates drum 2. So let me push the 1, turn the knob, you can see up there it actually says DR2 as indicated here. DR2, 4 is SE3, 5 is DR2, 9 is DR2, 12 is SE3, 13 is DR2, 15 looks like symbol 1, CY1 right there. And then I want to set everything to 40. So 90, there we go. 40 there. Okie dokie, I have step 2 complete. So step 3 says, go ahead and hold sound and press 3 to select sound 3, then place triggers like below. So this is the sound button. So sound button, and this is number 3. The sound 3, press as below. So pattern states here, 5, 7, 8, 13, 15. So you can see there. That completes step 3. Here is step 4. It says, hold each triggered button, turn knob A to set pitch as below, and turn knob B to set decay to 4. So the first one, turn knob A to set pitch. So the first pitch is A1, second pitch is D1. Pitch here would be E7 or E1. Pitch here is A2. Pitch here is E1. Pitch here is A2. That completes step 4. Okay, so here's step 5, filter. All right. Press right to exit right mode. Press play to listen, hold right while playing, and turn knob A, set filter to 0. So play. Okay, I think I did that correctly. So the filter has been set to 0. Step 6, live. So play live with 1 through 16. Try holding glide while playing. Try turning knobs A and B while playing, and enjoy. So it seems that I just get to jam around here. So I'll go ahead and press play. Alright, so I set the pattern. Let me go ahead and select a different sound. Alright, so I think that is it. That is the entire pattern. That's the little jam on top. There's the glide here. Let me try to mess with the effects just a little bit here as well.